Creation of the solar system. The solar system is believed to have formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from a giant molecular cloud composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. The process of its creation can be summarized in the following steps. 1. Collapse of a molecular cloud. A nearby supernova explosion or a passing star's gravitational pull can trigger the collapse of a molecular cloud, causing it to contract under its own gravity. 2. Formation of a protostar. As the molecular cloud collapses, it forms a spinning disk of gas and dust called a protoplanetary disk. The central region of this disk becomes denser and hotter, eventually forming a protostar at its center. 3. Accretion of material. Within the protoplanetary disk, small particles of dust and ice collide and stick together, gradually growing in size through a process called accretion. These particles continue to collide and merge, forming planetesimal small planetary bodies and eventually protoplanets. 4. Formation of the Sun. At the center of the protoplanetary disk, the protostar continues to grow in mass and temperature. Eventually, the core reaches a temperature of about 15 million degrees Celsius, triggering nuclear fusion. This fusion process releases an enormous amount of energy, giving birth to a star, which becomes our Sun. 5. Planet formation. As the protoplanetary disk evolves, the protoplanets continue to grow by accreting more material. Through collisions and gravitational interactions, some protoplanets merge to form larger bodies, while others are ejected from the system or become moons of larger planets. 6. Differentiation. As the protoplanets grow, their interiors heat up due to the decay of radioactive isotopes and gravitational compression. This heat causes the differentiation of the planets, with heavier elements sinking to the core and lighter materials rising to the surface. 7. Final arrangement. Over time, the gravitational interactions between the planets and other objects in the solar system cause their orbits to stabilize. The planets settle into their current positions, with the inner rocky planets closer to the Sun and the outer gas giants farther away. 8. Late heavy bombardment. Approximately 600–800 million years after the formation of the solar system, a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment occurred. During this time, the inner planets experienced a significant increase in impacts from asteroids and comets, resulting in the formation of many impact craters still visible today. Overall, the creation of the solar system was a complex and dynamic process that took millions of years to complete. It involved the collapse of a molecular cloud, the formation of a protostar, the accretion of material to form planets, and the final arrangement of the planets in their current orbits.